Yo, what's up, guys? We are at the pond that I caught fish in the last video. So I'm gonna see if I can catch fish, and I'll be back with you if I get one. I'm using a topwater frog, 55-pound braid. Nice frog setup. It's a 6'6" rod, medium heavy, with it's a nice reel. Okay, so I'll be back if I get one. Okay, we're gonna switch tactics and use a rooster tail because there's some smaller fish in here, so I'm gonna try to get them. Excuse me for my messy tackle box. Oh, that didn't work out. We're gonna get another one. Round two. Okay, well that's a flare fish. We're gonna let him go and see if we can find a big. See, bud. Holy crap. I just caught a huge crappie. Holy crap, I didn't even know they stocked them in here. Well, I'm at the back pond. It's a little bigger, but holy crap, I've never actually caught a crappie before. That's insane. Alright, I'm gonna get back to you when I let it go. Okay, guys, got the crappie, decent slab. Never actually caught one of these before, especially not in this pond. Alright. See you, bud. I'll get back to you guys if I get more.